I wasn't going to make a reading list video, but fuck it, why not? So this month, I think we're in the middle of October right now. The books that I'm trying to read, when I say trying, I mean I'm trying to read a bunch of books at once. I usually start somewhere in the middle and keep going. That's one of the good things about having a bunch of books is that you can sort of pass through ideas without having to commit to one book. I mean, I commit to fiction, but when it comes to books that just have ideas, I like to pass through them. That's a बढ़िया strategy है. So one book that I'm trying to read right now is this Introduction to Graph Theory from Richard J. Trudeau. ठीक है. This is about pure math. अभी थोड़ी बहुत पढ़नी शुरू करी है, but it's very interesting क्योंकि मैं स्कूल के अंदर I used to suck at math. After a certain age, feedback loop होता है ना कि you get bad marks in math, you believe that your math sucks. You believe that your math sucks, so you get bad marks in math over and over again. वो reinforce होना शुरू हो जाता है. By 11th grade, I dropped out of math and just had commerce without math, right? And math sort of became this whole thing. I just couldn't do it, But I heard about this book, and I believe the idea is that it talks about pure mathematics, which is different than applied mathematics. Applied mathematics हमें school में सिखाई जाती है, where we're asked to solve problems. Pure mathematics is basically the principles that make up math, and I think it has to do with Euclidean geometry and algebra. I may be wrong, but I'm fascinated by this book because it's out of my range of experiences. मैं usually the last thing I would do is read a math book. It's by Richard J. Trudeau. You can find it online if you'd like. But I'm excited to read it and see what are the principles that make math interesting. It is specifically made for the mathematically traumatized student, which I was. इसके लिए मैं काफ़ी excited हूँ. The other book that I passed through, I got this on David Perel's recommendation. It isn't as great because I'm not using all the linguistic tools I can. I'm just not there in my writing journey yet. But it had stuff like this. कि जैसे, I hope you can see it. Oh, by the way, it's called Elements of Eloquence by David Forsyth here. And इसका पूरा फंडा ये है कि it talks about writing tools and literary tools that you can use in your writing. जैसे paradox किस तरह इस्तेमाल किया जाए. Chapter 23, paradox. Pleonasm क्या होता है, right? Prolepsis क्या होता है. All these like little things you can do to understand how different literary devices are used in writing. It seems complex right now. But अभी कभी ना कभी मेरे को मौका मिलता है, I just read a chapter. It's hard to remember all the names, divigation, merism, ये सब different जो वो हैं, पर antithesis, I at least know antithesis, right? So I try to see if I can understand the examples without having to remember the names. It's great if you're trying to get too technical. That's what I'm also reading right now. I don't have another book here. But kabhi when I'm taking a shit, I read Jocko Willink's Extreme Ownership. How Navy SEALs lead and win. Is tarah se kuch. I don't have it on me right now, sadly. But I read it every now and then because it's a very interesting book about how Jocko Willink was a Navy SEAL commander and how him and his jiska assistant, how do I say, like second in command, how they basically narrate like a couple of a couple of years of surveys that they did in Iraq in this place called Ramadi. Jab Americans, because they're American soldiers, American Navy SEALs. And they talk about the complex, dangerous, treacherous times they had on field और उससे how they can use those principles to apply to real life. फिर वो लोग क्या करते हैं, they have an incident around what they did on the field. Like for example, friendly fire कैसे avoid करी, and then they translate it into a moral, and then they translate that moral into something you can use in your business life. So that's fundamentally what they do. It's a great book. It's simply written, but I think the beauty of it is कि अगर वो सिंपली भी रिटर्न है उसके बाद भी इट्स नॉट एस मतलब उसमें कुछ फैंसी नहीं है. द फैक्ट दैट अ नेवी सील इज डिस्टिलिंग हिज एक्सपीरियंसेस to help everyone is amazing, and that's why he has so much credibility. That's the other book that I'm trying to read. Every now and then, again, while I'm taking a shit, I'll try to read Robert Sapolsky's Behave. With that also, since it's a bit complex, it's about biology, and it tries to approach biology from not just one angle, because the one thing that book is not, as he says in the preface, is ये book वो नहीं है where it's only going to have one singular pinhole to look at biology. Like अगर हम cells से देखेंगे तो हर चीज़ मतलब basically what he's saying is you cannot attribute any biological event to just one single cause or field, right? कि endocrinologist होते हैं तो हर चीज़ endocrinology से हो रही है. I'm mispronouncing it probably. या फिर neuroscientists बोलेंगे कि oh it's just a couple of neurons firing, right? So it's a very expansive book on biology. I've been trying to read through that as well. What else am I trying to read? Every now and then, I just read this for inspiration. Mexico City Blues by Jack Kerouac. I love this poem book. It's not for everyone because it's made because Jack Kerouac was a jazz poet. ठीक है, so he all of this book is also made for reading, so he can enunciate the words differently, preferably to music, and even if not to music, he can speak them. So he's like the modern, how do I say, like the originator of spoken word poetry, fast jazzy poetry. ये scene है. What else am I reading? I'm also reading Effective Executive. उस बंदे का नाम क्या है? Hold on for a second. It's a great book that Tim Ferriss recommended about if you're trying to manage a team, which I am right now, right? And if you're trying to manage an organization and grow, a lot of your time is spent doing bullshit stuff. That just तुम्हारा time खराब होता है. Basically, he says no matter who you are, especially if you're a knowledge worker, an artist, an entrepreneur, anyone who uses this to make money, you need to be effective. Executive कोई भी बन सकता है. Effectiveness is a must. So let me just look up what it's called. It was written by an old management scientist, something like that. उसका नाम भूल गया हूँ. So okay, the book is called, yes, The Effective Executive by Peter Drucker. ये भी कमाल book है. I think you can buy it on Amazon as well. So I'm reading that as well. What else am I reading? I'm also reading this great book that I saw on my Twitter. It's called Metaphors We Live By, and that's by George Lakoff and one other writer. That book is very interesting. I believe it was written in the 1970s. I could be wrong. But it talks about how we don't even realize the metaphors that we use in real life, how they actually translate to the way we speak about those things. So एक classic example लेते हैं. He says argument is war. ये एक metaphor है, right? जैसे हम बोलते हैं, what's another metaphor? Like time is money, right? That's another one, right? Those are the two examples they use in the first couple of pages in the book, by the way. So he says argument is war. That's why जो भी भाषा हम use करते हैं arguments के आसपास, like I attacked his point, he couldn't refute my argument, he defended his point, all of it sounds like it's taken from a war book. Attack, defend, rescue, destroy, right? So in a way, argument becomes combative by the fact कि उसका जो metaphor है, the language we use to describe that metaphor is combative. ठीक है, ये बड़ा ऐसा feedback loop बन जाता है. So that's a very interesting book. I'm like 25% through it, excited to read it. What else am I reading? I think that's pretty much it. Other than that, ऐसी कोई किताब नहीं है. I do look forward to reading fiction because I'm going away on a trip soon. But I'll probably download more books on my Kindle. I have bought Adam Smith's Wealth of Nations, but it's just too fat, और मेरी भी थोड़ी गांड फट गई इसको देख के. So I'm going to read it one by one. I don't know. Anyway, so this is my mid-October reading list, if you'll call that. Obviously, all the books are in the description, the names anyway. And yeah, people want reading lists, so this is what I'm reading right now. Hope this helps. Like, share, subscribe karna mat bhulna, and see you very soon.